Welcome to Smoking Eagle's Rod Shop, and in today's video we're going to be upgrading my 5-drawer US General toolbox with some swivel casters. Now, when you buy these toolboxes and other toolboxes, they come with 2 fixed casters and 2 swivel casters with locks. Well, that's a pain in the ass. I like to be able to just push my box up against the wall or push it in places, and having 2 fixed casters, you kind of got to steer it and stuff. It's a pain in the butt. It's like a shopping cart at Walmart or something. It just doesn't work right. So I've got these casters here that I picked up at Harbor Freight. They are part number 61846. They're 375-pound, 5-inch heavy-duty swivel casters. They've even got a little grease zerk in them so that you can grease them up. The beauty of these, they are under 20 bucks, so you can use the 30% off coupon when Harbor Freight offers that, and you can get an even better deal on these things. This is the current price of them. Now, the bolt pattern is exactly the same, so all we've got to do is jack this up and swap them out. So let's get on it. So obviously I've removed everything that I keep down here. I'm going to pull this little piece of junk padding out of here, and we've got 4 bolts. I've jacked it up just so the tire's just off the ground, and I've got us a 1/2-inch wrench. I'm going to take these 4 bolts out. One wheel out. Getting that first bolt started was kind of a pain in the butt, but should be pretty easy now. And I'm just reusing the same hardware. Washer, nut. Number 2. Let her off the jack. And there it is. Now, if you're one of those sticklers, it's going to say, well, those wheels are blue and not black. Okay, whatever. Spray paint them. That's perfect. Look, now I can swivel this thing 360. No problems. I can walk it back in anywhere I want. I've got 2 straight casters left. Let's be honest, I'm probably never going to put those on anything. I'll toss them in the swap meet bin, and I'll sell those for a couple bucks at the swap meet. Yeah, I think for less than $30, that is a smoking upgrade for your 5-drawer US General toolbox. I'm going to take that little piece of foam pad and I'm going to trace it onto a piece of rubber diamond plate like you get at the farm store and toss that in the bottom of there so it's got a little bit better mat in it. I also am going to do this top one because these little cheap foam ones, they just get destroyed. But anyway, do you like this idea? Are you going to do it on your 5-drawer? Let us know in the comments below if there's another modification that you think is better. As you can see, I've done a couple things to this box. I'm thinking about putting a side box on it later on. There's all kinds of cool modifications guys are doing to these online. So like I said, let me know in the comments below what I should do next and whether you're doing this to yours. Like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends. I'm going to post some other videos around my melon here of things we're doing in the shop. Go check that stuff out. We appreciate all your support. We got merch available on our website. We got a Facebook group you can go join. Show us pictures of your toolbox. And until next time, keep on wrenching. Peace.